Ate chubby bunny. No. How much was it? Uh-oh.
You have chosen wisely.
What? Nine chubby bunny. 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 Mm. Ten. Chubby. Bunny. Ew. I spit it out. I spit it all out. Hey. What? Oh no. Does it mean that I got it? Oh no. The judges are strict. Like and that's how okay. Such a waste. I mean, Yutano, you can just come and collect them. They're all yours. Euphrasie-wangen. Like when I'm old, or maybe in 2 years, my cheeks are gonna be hanging like this. Hello everyone, my name is Clara, and I'm here to tell you it's a very bad idea to do Chubby Bunny on a weekly base. With your speed? No thanks. You know you can sell those things. So I have my OnlyFans where I'll be doing a giveaway of my spitty marshmallows. Storage. Not sure if I still watch. Hey, see? Whatever. Oh, eh. Yes. My only spits is now online. Vincent will be my marshmallow pimp. Talking about not watching, I have to go. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, so I did it. Next will be 11, but this was a very close call, to be honest. You guys were really using them sound commands, where I'm thankful for, but it was very annoying. But I did it. I did it. Okay, who won some points? Who lost some points?